Hi guys, welcome to Urban Jungle. As you all know that the summer season in India is almost over and we are heading towards the winter season. So I will tell you the vegetables that you should be growing in your gardens so as to be prepared for the winter season before it even starts. Right. So the other day I went to the market and I got myself loads of seeds and I prepared myself for the next season and I'm very excited to show it to share everything with you. So there are some seeds that I did not buy for reasons which are specific to my area, and I also will be sharing those vegetables that you can additionally grow in your garden. Those are the seeds that I have not bought right away, but I'll be buying them in the coming month because my climate, my weather does not allow me to grow them right away. But I will be sharing them with you and I will be telling you the timeline as to when you should be growing them. So stay with us and I hope you enjoy the video. So as you can see, my table is full of seeds that I bought from the market. I have already sown a few and I'll be sowing the rest very soon. So here's just a view of all the seeds that I have brought. So as you can see, I went to the market the other day and these are the seeds that I got, and I will be telling you and speaking about each and every of this vegetables that I got, and I'll tell you how to sow them. I'll definitely be making videos for your convenience and I'll be putting it online, but for the timing let me just speak to you about the seeds that I have. So here I have lettuce seeds to show you. This is the colored leaf lettuce that we have, and then I have the normal lettuce seeds. As you can see, this is the normal leaf and this comes from Pahuja seeds, and finally I have lettuce, iceberg lettuce, which is from Kalash. So these seeds, I'm also trying out different seeds from different companies. So moving on, this is a winter loving plant and you have to ensure that the temperature is optimum to get the best result. So lettuce loves temperature which is below 20 degrees Celsius. So you anytime between November to January is best for sowing lettuce seeds. Also you have to remember that lettuce is, you can harvest lettuce after say 60 days or maybe 50 days if the temperature is optimum. So it's a very fast growing crop. So I think within a month, within half a month, you will be getting lettuce that is ready for eating. So sow them in the month of November, and by January you can get your salad leaves. So let us now talk about brassicas. In brassicas, I have this purple variety called from this company called Syngenta, and I have the purple variety. You can also buy the white color variety, which is the most common one. And next I have this Chinese cabbage. You can also grow the normal cabbage or the purple colored variety, which is also quite in vogue these days. And then I have broccoli, which is one of my favorite vegetable to grow. It's from a company called Know Your Seeds, and I kind of like that company. I've already grown vegetables from them, so this is a good company. So you can also grow a vegetable called kohlrabi, and it happens to be another favorite vegetable of mine in the winters. The optimal temperature to grow the brassicas would be anywhere between 25 to 12 degrees Celsius, because these are once again cold loving plants, and the longer the cold season the better they will grow. So the cabbage especially will get ready in say 60 to 70 days, which is a 2-month growing time span that you have to give them. So that is the optimal temperature that you have to remember. 25 to 12 degree, maximum temperature 25, minimum 12. So you can start sowing your cabbage and cauliflower seeds in the month of August and September. I'm assuming in most places the temperature in the night will go down to 25 degrees. So you can start sowing your especially cauliflowers. You can start sowing them in the month of August and in the month of September. Next up I have tomatoes. These are tomatoes in my place in Assam. Most of the varieties they grow in the winter season. So I have some 5 varieties of tomatoes. So right now I have three. This is the tomatoes from No US Seed. This is the Rosa variety. It's a as if I'm not wrong, it's a semi-determinate variety, and this is a winter-loving variety. And this is the Trishul variety from again Syngenta. This is also a winter loving variety. This is grown in winter in our place. And then I have this Shija variety. Once again, this is the beautiful yellow elongated variety, and I'm very excited to grow this. I've also grown their sweet bite variety, which is once again yellow, but they're mostly cherry tomatoes, which is yellow in color. And I also have my own heirloom tomato seeds left with me from last year, and that is a must have. I really love those tomatoes. We call it corn bilahi in Assamese. So I'm looking forward to growing all these. And the optimum temperature is during, you can start sowing your seeds right away actually in the month of August, or in the month of September you can sow the seeds, and by January these will start fruiting. So next up, I would like to talk about these two winter loving, cold loving plants. One is leek. It belongs to the onion family, if I'm not wrong. And leek will grow anywhere between 23 to 12 degrees Celsius. So I think you have to sow these seeds in the month of November, because that's when it starts getting cold. And same goes for celery. Celery you have to grow between 20 degree to 15 degrees Celsius. So the optimum temperature would be anywhere less than 20. So this again probably in the month of December. So it'll get two months of period for this plant to grow, so that by the month of February you can harvest them. So this is December. You have to sow this in December. Anyway, before that the seeds will not even germinate. Same goes for this. But in the same time, if you want to grow onions, then you can start sowing them in the month of October. And the same goes for garlic. The perfect month in India would be also anywhere in the month of October or late September. Speak about spinach. I have this this variety. This is not a variety, like I got it from the local store. They were selling like this. This is just 10 rupees per packet. And for spinach, the best temperature would be anywhere between 25 degrees Celsius to 7 degrees Celsius. And this is a very fast growing crop. It will be ready in the next 45 to 50 days after you sow this. So if the temperature is right, you get to harvest it soon. So this is there. Next, if we talk about leafy greens, we have this bok choy that I have with me. So bok choy also loves a lot of it's also a cold loving variety in India. So same goes for bok choy. I tried growing it in the summer season, and as the days get cooler, the plant starts doing better. So I would say you can start planting bok choy right away in the month of September. This will do good, and this is a imported variety. This is only marketed in India by Rama Krishna Hybrid Seeds. The same goes for mustard seeds, mustard leaf seeds, so you can grow them in the month of October, and you can start harvesting them from December. So that's all about this. Also, in fact, this is also from the same mustard family. So everything which belongs to the mustard family, you can start sowing them from late September and the beginning of October. And then we have these herb seeds. These are your basil leaves, and basils do well anywhere between 24 to 28 degrees Celsius. So you can start sowing your seeds in the month of October. I think after a lot of trial and error, this is the best season that I find. And next I have these early Mandira variety of sem or hyacinth bean that we call. And this variety is a Rabi variety. So I'll be sowing it in a day or two. That is, right now I'm filming this in August, so I'll be sowing it in August itself, and by this November this plant should be fruiting a lot. And finally, I have with me a packet of capsicum. So capsicums do really well. It have a range of temperature actually. So the maximum temperature that it can tolerate is 32 degrees centigrade, and the minimum is somewhere around 10 degrees centigrade. So the best temperature that you can sow this would be, the best month according to me would be October. That is the best month to sow this. The temperature would be optimum for this for the germination of these seeds. So if you liked my video, then please do share and subscribe to my channel, and do share it with all your friends. Thank you from Urban Jungle.